I think, that's a 300, I think. Holy fuck. Holy fucking shit. We just got a 900. This is literally 1 in 1,000. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. I just got a... Holy fuck. I just got a 900 playing the 60s. Holy fuck. I don't even... We flop top pair. This is fucking huge. He checks. We're gonna check with the heart. We don't need that much protection. Holy fuck. I don't even care. I'm just gonna play really nitty here and focus. Call. We have a really easy call on almost any river. We're 100% calling here. Depends on his size. He checks. I think we're definitely good. I'm gonna bet 80 and try to get a call from something. It looks a lot like we miss. Okay, he was just stabbing. That's fine. We pick up 80. Holy fucking shit. I don't believe this. Sometimes I'm gonna mix in a jam here, but I'm gonna play a lot lower variance, with this prize pool. I'm just gonna try to maximize my edge. And we would have flopped a set. Think we could have called as well. But calling threes out of position, you really have no idea where you're at. Just hoping to hit a set. This guy can squeeze or jam. Still think it's a fold. Holy fuck, does he have a set? Bro, what? Fuck. This guy's complete ass. Just call with 8 deuce. And a full on conservative chips. You can't write this. I just really gotta play hands against this guy. He's complete ass. Like, I mean, just fold. Don't. It's gonna be a shove. Okay. Come on. Fucking top pair, baby. It's gonna absolutely punt into us. Holy fuck, holy fuck. Just gonna call. Please jam, please jam. What the fuck? What the fuck? You can't write this. What is he doing? I'm getting a $900 prize pool against the worst fucking player of all time. You legitimately can't write this. Okay, I need to play as many hands as possible against this guy. Holy fuck, we got 10s. We're gonna raise. Please jam. Please jam. Holy fuck, he has 10-3 offsuit. No heart. Holy fuck, he's dead. We just won 900 fucking dollars. You can't write this. What the fuck is going on? That was the easiest match of my life. You actually can't write this. How did I get this on recording? What the fuck is going on? I'm trying to punt my fucking bankroll. This is a shove for 10 bigs. I get I I fucking hit a 1 in 1,000 jackpot against the worst player in the world. He's literally fucking complete. You can't, there's no fucking way I recorded this too. Oh my god. No way. I'm actually in shock. I've gotten 2 of these from like playing a shit ton. I play like fucking 460s to punt. I get a 900. There's no fucking way. Oh my god, man. It's fucking crazy. Literally, we're raising and he's shoving 10-3 offsuit. He has like 2% equity. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. I don't even care about the 60, man. Holy fuck, bro. What? Holy fucking shit. We just won the 900. The Oh my god. That was the dumbest fucking thing I've ever seen. My recording is gonna run out in like a minute. I won't be able to. You won't be able to see me lose this. Fucking 900. Holy shit. That is something. Come on, call. Call me. Nice. Hold. 7. Oh. Oh, that's a 7? Yo. Calling. Holy fucking shit. We got kings. We're gonna limp. Come on, rip it, buddy. Okay, we're gonna bet. We're gonna go bet, bet, bet. If he donks, whatever. Gonna bet. Get called. I mean, it's not a great turn. I really don't mind checking. I think checking's fine. And maybe let him hit a 2 pair, like an 8-6. We're just gonna call basically any bet. Oh. Then he just does that. I mean, that's a great ending of the video. Thanks for watching. Yes, sir. Fucking 900, baby!